Today's Daily Dose of Math is about listing all possible results, which is a method that can be used by a student when they are answering a probability question if the student doesn't want to make a tree diagram. Tree diagrams can get a little bit messy, and some students prefer not to have to draw them, so it's nice that they have another method they're allowed to use to get the answer and justify it. In this probability situation, a coin is flipped, and of course that can be either heads or tails. And then a colored letter is pulled from a bag, and I'm showing that here. This bag has 5 letters of 5 different colors in it. I'm going to list all of the possible results that can happen when you combine the coin flip with the pulling of the letter. We can get a heads from the coin and get the pink letter from the bag, but we can also get the tails when we flip the coin and still get the pink letter. Looking at all the other combinations, we can have heads with orange, heads with blue, heads with green, and heads with yellow. That means, of course, we can have tails with each of those colors as well. Now that took a little while, and it would not be fun to do that if you had a more complicated probability situation. But I have listed all of the possible results, and now I can answer my questions, and I'm using the same strategy that I usually do of favorable over total. So first question, what are the chances of heads followed by yellow? The only one of these possible results that has heads followed by yellow is this one here. So there's only one favorable. And the total, all the possible results, is 10. So I can answer in fraction form, convert to decimal, and convert to percent. There is a 10% chance of getting heads followed by yellow. The second question, what are the chances of not getting a green letter, is a little bit more complicated because the result of the coin flip is not even showing here. So all of the results that do not involve getting a green letter are now circled in orange, and there are 8 of them. So the favorable is 8. The total is still 10, and I can give my answer in fraction form, or decimal form, or 80% or percent form, and there is an 80% chance of not getting a green letter. This question is a little bit confusing for some students because of the fact that the coin flip isn't mentioned. What that means is that any result from the coin flip is okay so long as it doesn't have a green letter following it, and therefore we're able to show with our list of all possible results all of the ways that can happen and answer the question. This is the method listing all possible results in today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like the video and subscribe.